In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to create a quote inside of Zoho CRM. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Zoho CRM like you usually would. And then from here you need to go up to the menu where it says quotes. Then you need to click on that. And if you have never created a quote before, it should be looking something like this. Here you need to click create quote. Then this page is going to be popping up where you can select quote information, where first of all you'll find the quote owner, which will always be yourself. But you can also choose someone in your team if you want to do that. Then from here you can add in the subject, you can add the quote staged, the carrier for the quote, where you can choose FedEx, UPS, UPSS, DHL, and Blue Dart. Then you can add a deal name if you want to do that. You can add a valid until date, a contact name, an account name. Then from here you can add the address information, where you can add the billing address, billing city, billing state, billing code, billing country, shipping street, shipping city, etc, etc, etc. Then from here you need to go down to quote items, and here you want to list all of your items that is in this specific quote. So I'm just going to choose this one in particular. The quantity for my example is going to be 1, the list price, and then you can see the amount, the discount, the taxes, and the total amount of that specific product. Then you can also add a description if you want to do that, or you can add a new row if you want to do that, or you can delete it over here. Then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you'll see the subtotal, discount, tax, adjustments, where you can add the adjustments if you want to do that, and a grand total of your quote. Then from here you can scroll a little bit more down, you'll see the terms and condition, and here you can add in your terms of condition of the specific quote, and down here you can also add a description information if you want to do that. Then from here, when you're done with all that, you need to click save up in the right hand corner, and as you can see here, now it has been saved as a quote. And that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!